Fitter, happier, more productive. Comfortable, no adware, Microsoft partner. Regular exercise at the gym, 3 days a week. No spyware. Use the best tool. No toolbars. Safely and effectively clear invalid entries. Check credit at Moral Bank. 100% free. No paranoia. Download now. Not thinking too much. A better pace. Slower and more calculated. Run. No escape. Get along with your employee contemporaries. Less chance of illness. Create a desktop icon. Click to install. Concerned. Use OSLogic's boost speed. An empowered and informed member of society. Powerless. Use OSLogic's driver updater. A good memory. Launch registry cleaner. No chance of escape. Limited time chance. Click here to get your free license now. Like a cat tied to a stick that's driven into. The ability to laugh at weakness. Scanning your system. Calm. We will send you boost speed tutorials and a weekly newsletter with special deals. Favors for favors. Submit. Fitter, healthier, and more productive. A pig in a cage on antibiotics. That was fun, right? I hope you enjoyed that little skit. For those of you who are struggling to understand, it was essentially a parody of the song Fitter, Happier, More Productive by Radiohead, which is based on George Orwell's Animal Farm, kind of inspired by Louis Rossmann, who did something very similar. And I have to say, while going through it, I couldn't help but notice the strong correlation between the entire free software market, the adware stuff, and the actual meaning of the song. It's kind of the epitome of irony. You start with the idea that you're going to speed up your system and remove clutter, and at the end, what you have is your email getting spammed with newsletters, a ton of new clutter on your desktop with pop-ups about deals and coupons. If you haven't checked out the original song, I definitely recommend doing that. Also recommend reading Animal Farm, probably something everyone should read given the political situation these days. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the PC Security channel. This is Leo, and as always, stay informed, stay secure.